Everybody get up.
Kevin, that's a lovely tribute.
I just miss him, Mum.
Alan! 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 Alan!
Excuse me, I'm having a bit of trouble with me wing. I think it's broken. Can anyone help?
Do I know anyone who can help? Gather round, brothers and sisters, join me! Are you ready to receive the healing? Ready to receive the love?
Nighttime! Daytime! Nighttime! Daytime! Nighttime! Daytime!
What are you doing?
Having a game of nighttime, daytime! You wanna play?
No, you're alright, I got an Xbox.
Alan! 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 If you'd just like to open wide, sir.
Okay.
You going anywhere nice on your holidays?
I think...
Yeah, don't try and talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. My wife and I are thinking of going abroad this year. Dudley, she's got family in the zoo over there. You got kids?
Yes.
Please don't talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir.
Hi.
Could do with a fill in here, actually, at the back. Is it mainly bananas you eat? I won't tell you again, sir. Please don't try and speak when I'm working inside your mouth. Right, I'm just going to have a cheeky little taste. That's not bad, actually. What's done, just need to smell your breath. Oh, God, that is rank. I think I need to lie down.
She's all neck and legs, look at her.
Oh, I am looking at her.
Stop looking at her.
You just told me to look at her.
Ow!
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 Ow! That's right, my throat, that.
I don't know why, but I don't seem to have a lot of luck with women. I mean, I'm kind, I'm caring, I'm... No, it's a mystery, that.
Shoot! 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 Oh! I didn't think you'd do it.
Copacabana. Music and fashion is always the passion at the core. Hey! Are you filming me in the bath? Get out! Away, man, I'm naked. You better not put it on YouTube.
Oh, what a day. Network crash, lost me wallet, phone's run out of battery. Couldn't get any worse. Cracking stuff.
Oh, so that's not Alan. Steve, Steve!
John, I don't think we're allowed to wee here.
It's fine, just keep a lookout. What was that? That was me zip.
Whoa! Where did all these come from? You know me, lads, I can't wee with an audience.
Oh, I tell you what, I don't like that man who's just moved in next door. Oh, he's really creepy.
Oh, hello! Could I trouble you for a cup of sugar, please?
Ooh-ah, Bike and Bill. Ooh-ah, Bike and Bill.